Hello and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to sign up into your Airbnb. For that, just go and open your Airbnb app, and now it will take you straight to your login page. Just enter your phone number or email address if you do this, but if you do this using your Google or Apple ID, it will be a lot easier. So just tap on your Google account or your Apple account and then select your profile picture, or let's just say your Gmail ID, and it will ask you to give access about your name, profile picture, and your Gmail. And after that it will ask you your legal name, your full name, and after that you'll have to enter your date of birth. And now tap on this button and then tap on done button, and just you need to tap on agree and continue button, and that is how you can sign up into your Airbnb app. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section.